Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a while and yeah, I thought I would actually film this video and show you everything that's in the Boots, the best beauty showstoppers. And this is the box. As you can see, it's quite a big box, very nice, very like Christmas themed, and there's a collection of the best beauty in this box. I think this was for £80, and I was able to get it for like 65 or something like that with a discount code, which was kindly shared on Instagram by a beauty blogger. I will leave her tag down below. So I'm going to get straight into it, and I'm just going to show you at first glance what's in the box. So here it is. It is jam-packed and there's a lot of stuff in here, which I think is an absolute steal for £80. It was even better deal for getting it for 65. But this box has essentially the best brands and the best sellers that are in Boots, and we're going to get straight into it and actually talk about two products. This product alone, which is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. This is, I think, around £55. So just for this one item, you've already paid for half of this box, more than half of this box. I actually already have this palette, so I'm actually going to gift it to someone else. But I love this palette, and I thought actually just for this palette alone, it made it worth buying this, because this I can give to someone else. Then another product that we have is Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I have like a mini sample version, and I'll be honest, I haven't actually used that one yet, but I think I'll like it. So I'm going to try that one out, and then once I've tested it, then I'll know if I want to keep this. This is like, I think, the full size version, so this is 40ml. So yeah, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited to give it a try. My skin has been really bad recently, and I've been really terrible with keeping up to date with it, so I need to start actually looking at all the stuff I have and putting it to use. Next we have the Liz Earl Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. So it comes in this little cute pouch, which I think is adorable, and again, I already have this, so I can actually give to someone else. And it comes with the 50ml version, so it's a nice travel friendly with the little pouch, so that's really good. See you next